Welcome to our channel. What a time to be alive. In this channel, we concentrate on different things that can enhance practically every aspect of your life and quench your insatiable curiosity about a variety of topics. To become the best version of yourself that you can be, we'll cover everything from real estate to branding. It's important to have a broad knowledge of subjects. For today's video, we'll discuss the top 15 real estate books currently available on the market. Real estate is defined as property made up of a plot of land and any resources found above or on it, including buildings. If you're considering getting into the real estate game, you might be making the best decision of your life. Number 1. Crushing It in Apartments and Commercial Real Estate by Brian Murray. Let's begin with something we know many of you will appreciate, and that won't be about becoming the next billionaire real estate success right away. This is the tale of Brian Murray, who started out as a teacher but now runs a successful business worth millions. This guide will teach anyone who is serious about entering the real estate market or if they are already in the business. Crushing It is about learning the fundamentals of real estate, taking advantage of your position as the underdog, analyzing properties, being passionate, having a goal, and so much more. If you want to break the ice and start learning about real estate, we definitely recommend this book. Number 2. The book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner. This author will arm anyone who wants into the industry with the necessary tools to build the wealth and consistent cash flow through real estate. Turner explains where and how to look for rental properties, which of them will make the best rentals, and how to put in the offer. He also covers what to do after closing the deal and how to manage the property. This super practical guide is a must for anyone who is thinking of creating cash flow through rental properties. Number 3. The Sale of a Lifetime by Harry S. Dent Jr. Here's a book that takes a different approach to real estate. Its sole focus is on bubbles, how you can identify one and take advantage of it for many people. But for some, it's a massive opportunity to build great wealth. The Sale of a Lifetime comes as a great addition to your real estate knowledge, protecting you from potential future challenges and opening up some new opportunities for your future self. Number 4. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller. Here is an author willing to share with readers across the world his wisdom gained from over 100 millionaire real estate investors. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor is an easy-to-read guide that reveals how to think big with your desires, goals, habits, and models, the 5 types of millionaire real estate investors and the path to becoming one. Number 5. The ABCs of Real Estate Investing by Ken McElroy. This book offers a helpful outline of the entire process of investing in real estate from beginning to end. Ken McElroy also dispels myths about real estate that often prevent many people from getting started themselves. Also, one of the most valuable takeaways from this book are the strategies the author gives us that can be used to analyze the potential outcome of an investment from a cash flow perspective. Number 6. The book on investing in real estate with no and low money down by Brandon Turner. This will teach you how to be creative with your investments when your budget is really low or pretty much non-existent. Brandon Turner outlines the importance of a healthy mindset when coming into this and to not let the lack of capital be an obstacle. This amazing book is packed with strategies, tips, and ideas on how to leverage other people's money to gain the best outcome possible. It also talks about the ugly side of the industry just so you don't get too detached and fly off into millionaire dreamland. Number 7. Build a Rental Property Empire by Mark Ferguson. All the details of successful real estate investing strategies are laid down in this book. In a simple, direct, and easy-to-understand writing style, Build a Rental Property Empire talks about the risks associated with this business, as well as how to buy below market value, how to manage your properties, and a few other factors you'll need to know on your way to building a lucrative property empire. Number 8. Getting the Money by Susan Lassiter Lyons. We can't remember the number of times we've mentioned this, but money is incredibly important in our lives, and we can't go without it in society. It goes the same in the real estate industry. Susan Lassiter Lyons provides a clear framework of how someone can obtain the capital necessary for real estate. The author talks about first-hand experience in using ingenious ways and an authentic personality to raise millions in real estate. Number 9. Real Estate Investing Gone Bad by Phil Postiofsky. Before you set off on your real estate adventure of owning a fleet of properties, you need to hear what this author has to say. First, Boost Eye of Ski's book presents 21 cases of real estate deals where things went absolutely sideways and what you can learn from these situations. Real Estate Investing Gone Bad has some down-to-earth insights which you need to know about, unlike other real estate books who only present the upside of the industry. Number 10, The Book on Flipping Houses by J. Scott. Here's someone who doesn't shy away from educating you, with a pretty comprehensive guide on what skills and strategies we need to make it and establish ourselves in the real estate industry. Scott gives you his methods for analyzing and choosing a target market and stresses the importance of some key fundamentals, which many novices overlook. Also a lax sirs if you want to learn a little bit more about this industry. Number 11, The Millionaire Real Estate Agent by Gary Keller. This novel is a driven, in-depth guide for those who see excellence in their real estate profession and in their lives. The Millionaire Real Estate Agent is very valuable for any real estate agent of any level or experience, because it helps in deconstructing your goals into small, manageable parts that will systemize your business and allow it to thrive. Number 12, What Every Real Estate Investor Needs to Know About Cash Flow by Frank Galan. In a simple and entertaining manner, this book centers around mastering numbers to prosper within your real estate. Galan covers in detail, along with examples, pretty much every analytical tool you'll ever need. He firmly believes that success comes from mastering every aspect related to investments in the real estate industry. Number 13, Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. Wealth was designed to make it easy for anyone to understand the basic principles of taxes and to not be intimidated by them. With the help of this book, Wheelwright aims to educate the reader how to legally eliminate all income taxes, thus living a tax-free life. Number 14, Buy It, Rent It, Profit by Brian M. Chavez. With over 20 years of experience in the business, the author explains here why buying rental property is such a wise investment. Today, Chavez designed this book for first-timers, so keep in mind it's not for everyone, but the guidance provided is pretty good, so we gave it a spot on this list. Number 15, The Book on Managing Rental Properties by Brandon and Heather Turner. The great thing about this book is it has something for everyone from beginners to longtime investors. It goes deep in depth about the basics of property management, coupled along with helpful tips for seasoned pros, beside the fact that throughout the book it's emphasized how important it is to take a real estate seriously. This is the third entry on this list from Brandon Turner. So, that was all for this video. For more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.